taking it a step further, could I envision that maybe in the future, how fast things have proceeded so far, with the consent of the parties, could I envision in a civil case if the parties said, well, you know what, we would like our jurors to blog about the case to us, a direct thing, they could have little computers, and then give them their instantaneous analysis. I've had a case where it was a big case and somebody said, well, do you think out there the courtroom is always full? Do you think that's a shadow jury that the parties have hired to then watch the jurors? Certainly there's a jury consultant that's watching the juror's reaction. What about the juror's own reaction? Is that so far out that we couldn't possibly, it does kind of do damage to do not talk about the case until the end of the case, and then we at recess go back and talk about with our court staff about what's happening in the case. So those are some of the things on just blogging that I'd like to hear the other panelists' concerns about, because I have a listing of law blogs. There's a whole listing, and they're very specialist. You can have a blog on patent, blog on appeal, a blog on solo practitioners, a blog on paralegals. I'm sure that there might be a blog on court administrators or public information officers, so people can dial into those matters and find out relevant information. So that's a new challenge, and it heightens this tension that we were talking about.